How is it going, guys? This is circulated 1990 UK £1 from Coinaz collection, featuring Elizabeth II on obverse and large leek plant within royal diadem representing Wales on reverse. Incused lettering on edge in Latin means true am I to my country. Composition of metal is nickel brass. Coins issued in 1990 circulated for 27 years until they were demonetized in 2017 and replaced with current bimetallic £1 coin. Over 97 million pound coins were released into circulation that year. As you can see, this is obviously over-circulated specimen with massive wear and abrasions all around. Medium softness is evident on Queen's bust, mainly on hair part, but letterings around are readable. We have large carbon stocks in 3 areas, here, here, and here. The fields of reverse are bombarded with contact marks. Central device is visible with slight wear on high points, yet on face value we see significant rub. According to PCGS, this demonetized coin at mint state 60s was $4.50, at mint state 63 $6, and at mint state 65 $7.50. On eBay circulated and ungraded £1 coins from 1990 sell for $2 to $6. For instance, this coin, which is at even worse condition as compared to ours, was sold for $5.39 on June 14th, 2022. That's all, folks. If you liked the video, hit thumbs up below. Have a nice day.